this is how we got our client's offer accepted, even though they had a home sale contingency. Now, for those of you that don't know what that is, that simply means that they can't buy another home until they sell their home first. First, we got their home under contract with another buyer, but we made sure to add language in that contract stating that the sale of their home is contingent upon them finding another home. So now that their home is under contract, their offer is now going to be more competitive and more likely to get accepted. Now, once we submitted my client's offer, I made sure that everybody involved in the sale of their home contacted the listing agent and seller just to give them even more confidence that their home is in fact under contract and going to sell. That wasn't the only reason why my client's offer got accepted. There were multiple factors that contributed to that. But it's important to note that if you have to sell your home first in order to buy that new home, you must get your home under contract, because if you don't, it's going to be extremely difficult to have a seller accept your offer with a home sale contingency.